Hello guys, welcome back. So in front of me is the Amazon package which I got delivered today. So guys, have a look what's in it.
Hi guys, so here you can see this is the smart tag. I got it for free when I pre-ordered the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and on the side here you can see where you can apply this smart tag. You can use it on your pet dog, you can use it in your travel luggage bag, or you can use it on your keychain. So let me open this up and then you will be able to see what are the contents of this packaging. So let's see. Here on top you can see the smart tag, and on the back you can see the quick start guide. There is only one paperwork. Apart from that, once you remove the smart tag from the packaging, you can see this is the shape and size, and on top you can see the Galaxy smart tag, which is visible but very faintly, and on the back we have the Samsung logo, and yep, there is one button. On pressing on it you can hear it beeps. So here you can see on top there is one keyhole punch, so you can attach it with any keychain or to your pet's collar or your travel luggage bag. And at the back you can see there is one small hole which is the speaker grill. So once you click on this button on top, the sound comes out from here.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.